2011 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8 beast. It's a good friend of mine's truck. This is probably number 8 or 10 we've done for them. They always bring us all their trucks and cars, and he had a red Mustang that we have on the channel. He had a Chevy we have on the channel. Really nice guy. Got factory converters there and there. Secondary converters there and there, right there and right there. Then it is dual from the factory, true dual. And guess what we did? We continued that true dual all the way back. Out the sides on each side, mandrel bent tailpipes, into 6-inch massive tips rolled there and there. And make sure you guys always zip tie the brake lines away, just in case. And there it is right there. There's the 6-inch tip here, and there's the 6-inch tip there. True dual. Disappoints with sound. It's so loud. They're 350Zs, they're tight. Again? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Again? 150, and it's so loud. It's awesome. It looks so good too. All tucked in like that, so it's really clean. Look at that. Really, really clean. Barely see it at the edge. That's just sexy. Sexy! If you guys don't think this is sexy, you need to get off the channel. That's what I think.